Who was it? Oh, 1, 2, 3, and consumer papers. Okay. I'm dropping a message to Stuart. Okay. Perfect. Hi, Stuart. Are you there? Stuart, you are muted.
Sorry about that. How's it going, Prince?
Doing perfectly well. How are you?
Doing great. Doing great.
I have Dhanwanti with me, who is going to be your project manager here.
Hi, Stuart. How are you?
Great. How are you doing?
I'm also fine. Thanks for asking.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Perfect. Stuart, is there anyone else going to join?
Well, no, I think it's just going to be me.
Perfect. No problem. Before we start, do you have any questions for us?
Questions for me? No.
Okay. You can carry on if you have any questions, or maybe just brief him about the process that we follow and all those things, like the onboarding that you do.
All right. So, Stuart, I will start with sharing an onboarding form with you, where I will be having some questions that you have to fill out with details, like what colors you prefer, what theme you prefer, if you have any specific font and all. I will share that form with you. And after that, my designer will start his research and will start the design. I will share the design for each page, like one by one. And once you approve, then only I will move for the development. Okay?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So I see, like, I have checked your current website. I also checked your reference site. So I have some questions. Let me just.
This is the website in question. I believe you're talking about Exometric, right?
Yeah. Yes.
I have shared that in the chat box.
Let me quickly share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So the pages we're gonna have, first of all, I want your confirmation on the pages. The pages we're gonna have is home page, about page, contact page, one for service page, like we're gonna have inner pages, and inner pages will be.
Hold on. Stuart, do you want us to zoom in if it's not that visible?
I can see it. Yeah, the same stuff we reviewed.
Yes, but there are a few changes in that. She have made some edits.
Oh yeah, I see the high volume. So I would say no, I think that's good.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
these are the.
what basically she has done is she has and like we were sitting together the day before yesterday, and we thought, why not make a list of pages that we think can give us most of the leads and business. So here goes like your input on, maybe you can take a look at this doc or add some comments and say that this is a good page or not. I have by default kept it keeping SEO in mind. When I say SEO, I mean to say the services that we are providing, and then people are looking for it. You know what I mean? Every single keyword or search term that is being searched on Google is having some sort of search volume, meaning how many people are looking for it. So I kept that thing in mind, and that's how I made it, along with checking the competitors, of course. Does it make sense?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. Yep.
Perfect. Perfect. Carry on, Dhanwanti.
Okay, so these are all of the service pages. Then we're gonna have inner pages for all of the industries that you serve. Like we have here, we have the name. So first is aerospace, then automotive, electronics, then industrial equipment, medical, oil and gas, and data centers. These all we're gonna have the inner pages of it. Okay.
Yeah, I would add. Let me see here. ITAR, ITAR, all capitals.
Yes.
Can you just repeat?
ITAR. It's
ITAR.
Okay. What does the full form of this ITAR?
I just
Okay.
wrote it on slide. Yeah. Mhm. I believe it was some sort of registration, Dhanwanti. I don't know, but when I was searching for it, it was showing some registration page from PMDDTC website. Is that right, Stuart?
Yeah, it's like international trafficking of arms regulation or something.
Yeah. I got it. I'm just sharing it with you on Slack, Dhanwanti. International
Okay.
traffic in arms regulation. Yeah,
Got
that's
it.
what it is. Yep.
Got it. So one more page for the industry, that is ITAR, will add it. Is there anything else for the industry page?
And there are some pages on exometry that talks about ITAR, by the way, Dhanwanti.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
I would. So I would remove electronic technology, and I would put.
I cannot hear you. Your voice is breaking.
Let me repeat that. He said that he would remove electronic technology and put maybe something else.
Consumer products on there.
Okay, instead of
Consumer product.
electronics and technology, you want to put
Yes.
ITAR.
No,
All right.
No consumer product.
Well, look, so there's two pages. One is ITAR, and the next one that we need is consumer products, and I would remove some technology.
Gotcha.
Can y'all hear me all right? I can try kicking myself off the Wi-Fi and on cell.
Yeah, the ITAR is fine. I couldn't hear the second one.
Okay.
That was like consumer.
Let me
Consumer products.
switch
I have added that in
services
chat
here.
box.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
So Dhanwanti, I have added in the chat box, and I'll flag that to you as well.
Okay. Got it. Then we have blog page. We're gonna have blog main page, inner page, and carry page, and the terms and privacy. These are the complementary pages. So there is no charge for these pages. So I just want your confirmation on the pages. Like, are these the final pages, or do you have any change on it?
This is it. We're going to add to the services page eventually, but not for right now.
One more thing, Stuart, like if in future you want to create any new page in service section or industries, the website is made in a way that it's all modular. It's not like we are going to mess up all the code when we have to just add one page. We can do it very easily. The website is made on a builder that is called Oxygen Builder, which is very highly efficient in adding new modules right away without like getting into the code and stuff. Okay.
Great.
Yes.
All
And
right.
just to repeat that, I know that I already have talked to you enough about the SEO part. The websites that are built on Oxygen Builder are by default, super SEO friendly. They are better than any other WordPress builder out there.
Great. So how's that going to work? You guys are going to, I'm just going to give you my hosting details, and then you're going to pay for it and bill me on, how does that work?
So let me tell you how it works. We will start with not developing the website, but with designing it. We will first design a website on Figma. Figma is a very well-known tool that helps us in designing the website. We create a design there, and then we will share the link with you. Then you maybe can get it reviewed by your team yourself as per the likings. We can get on one more call where we can talk about the design elements. And once you approve that design, we will move it to development side of it. We will develop it. Okay. We will do it in a way that let's start with homepage, then create service page, then landing pages and stuff. So that's how it will go. Talking about the hosting, if you have a hosting provider, it's good. If not, I will share a few suggested hosting providers. You can sign up there, add your credit card, and I'll take it from there. If you do not know how to do that, you can share the details with me and I'll get it done. I'll set it up for you. No problem at all.
Okay.
Yep. And I believe you already had the domain, so you don't have to map the domain from hosting. I'll do that for you. You don't have to worry about anything else. If you want a dedicated SSL certificate, when I say SSL, I mean to say that HTTPS thing that adds up on the top of a website. I can do it. There are multiple options that start from free to $100 to $250. I believe if we do not have a lot of traffic on the website to start with, it's okay to start with a free version. Like you don't have to worry about it. So rest is your call. I always tell my clients that we can start with free, and when we get more and more traffic, when we have more data on the website, we can move to the paid one after 6 months or 8 months. It's like a matter of a few hours. That's it. Can you hear me well?
Yes, I can hear you.
Perfect. So did you get to the SSL part that I explained that to you?
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect. Excellent. Dhanwanti, is there anything else that we need to talk about?
Yes. I have some questions for the service page. Let me just give you an example. So are we gonna have some tables on the content like this?
Yep, good one. Yep, I totally missed that.
Can you see this?
Yep, I can see it. I mean, it looks fine to me. I mean, I'm not very picky. I will just whatever you guys want to go with.
So Stuart, I think maybe we can talk to Brian on this one, where like this looks like a cool table to me, where the data is shown in that table so that it's easier for user to understand.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, I'm sorry. I see now.
I believe that this is a good idea, but yes, but these days very less people use tables, so this is why we wanted to confirm that from you. So from design point of view, this is not a right approach, but it actually helps the user to understand the data in a better way. So at the end of the day, we need your input in that.
And so, are you asking me to confirm?
Yes.
What portion do I need to confirm?
Yes, Dhanwanti, can you show the table again?
Yes, just a minute. Here, I wanted to know if you want this table to have like on all of the service pages.
No, I wouldn't. 3D print general tolerances.
Let's do it this way, Stuart. In that case, I will create one landing page for you in that case with the tables. If you like it, we can keep it. If you don't like it, I'll hide it right away.
Okay, great. Yeah, I like that plan.
I think
we don't want to obviously be copying isometry. We want to copy as much as we can without getting in trouble.
That's what I thought. I think we should not have it that way itself, because first tables are not used by designers anymore. It's a little bit outdated. The only thing I liked about that part is it clearly shows the details right away. And again, it also depends on what is the age group of your audience. Like if they are approximately at 50 plus, then definitely we should have a table because it helps them understand the things better. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I think I mean, 3D printing, we can print actually bigger than Xometry can, but it depends on the material and a lot of different things. So, yeah, I mean, look, you can keep it in there for now. We can just hide it later.
Yeah, or I'll research something else as well. No worries at all. No worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. One question I have is like, how do you want the contact form to be on the site? Is there any process you have?
Yes.
Mhm.
So there's a contact button, right, which is just email, an email address. And then you see how they have that start a quote thing?
This?
Yep.
Well, yeah, but there's actually a button for it. You scroll down, you're just there.
Yes.
Yeah, so we want to replicate this. Now, we have a very rudimentary version of it on our website, but we'd love for you to create something very similar to Xometry, which, Prince, you mentioned that you had something that could do this.
Yes, the only difference is when you do it with Xometry, they basically have something integrated like some AI stuff where they give the instant code, but we can do it right away in a form where the guys can upload some data and you will have that on your email and Google Sheets as we discussed in the last meeting.
Yeah, perfect. And then you need to have something there that prevents people from uploading ITAR documents.
Okay.
So
okay.
it should say, is this ITAR yes or no? And if they say yes, then it should stop them.
Okay, so we are not going to allow people to upload anything that's ITR doc.
Right. Yep.
That can be.
And then it should say email us for your ITAR project.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense. We will. I think in that case, there should be a different form so that, like, is this ITR? Yes. If it's not ITR, no, something like that, and then it will be a different form. They will be landed. I'll take care of that. No problem at all.
Yeah. Okay. We just don't want them to be sending an ITAR document through the website.
That's okay. I got it.
Because it's not ITAR compliant. ITAR is, it's very secure. There's rules on how you can transfer documents.
Makes sense. Perfect. One more thing. I already told you that we have stock images available. So we are going to start adding stock images for now, or you will provide the images?
So yeah, stock images for now.
Okay. Okay. And is there anyone who is going to, approve those images, or we can add anyone of the choice?
So I'm, as long as you're adding stuff that's similar to Xometry, right? We should be good. Now, if you want to send me a bunch of images to approve, I can do that.
Okay. Just to let you know, there will be chances that we might not have exact images available like Xometry, because stock images are always, made in a generic way. In that case, I will let you know in advance. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it would be great if we had ones that didn't really blatantly look like stock images. Like I'd like to keep the stock images that have like the very fake people on them doing fake things.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I would like to keep that out. So it should look like a real part,
Right. And like once we have the stock images, maybe later we are going to change that, right? Or you're going to keep that? Okay. Perfect. And who is going to be responsible for content? Bryce, right?
Bryce, yeah, but I would love it if y'all could take a stab at the content. I mean, it's just copying Xometry, right? So if we could just reword that.
So there are two options for that. Maybe I can hire someone from Poland. I have a guy who's a good writer, not a native one, because the native writer from US, basically they charge a lot. But I have a guy from Poland who can come in the budget. Or if you want, I have a guy from India as well who can create the content. Not as good as a native one, but yeah.
How expensive is the guy? What would the total cost for the guy in Poland be?
So the Polish guy was charging, I believe, $60 per page last time we talked. The content is good. And the Indian guy was charging, I believe, $20 per page.
How many pages do we have?
I believe 25, Dhanwanti?
No, we have 28 around pages.
28, yeah, close enough. Okay, let's do it this way. I will give you one sample content from that Indian guy. I'll ask him if he can slip in a free sample. I believe that will give you a better understanding of how good it can be. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I think why don't we just give me the sample.
Yes. So that Polish guy cannot give the free samples, but yeah, Indian guy definitely can do it. He's a good one, and we always rely on him whenever there is any work. So yeah, I will ask him to do it right away. Dhanwanti, you have to connect with her, Surbi, tomorrow, okay?
Sure.
And,
All right.
Just email me the to my work email address.
Yep, I'll do it. One more thing, Dhanwanti, most of the communications we can keep on. I believe it will be feasible for Stuart to have it on email, right,
Right. Yeah. I mean, I don't check Upwork that often, so.
Yeah.
All right.
So I know that you have to add data on Upwork too. You can keep on adding the data, but make sure that he also gets the email so that he can take a look at,
Yes.
email right away. Yeah.
Okay.
So content sorted, images sorted. Anything else, Dhanwanti?
Not from my side. So I will share the onboarding form with you by tomorrow. And one thing I want you to do is, like, I see you have shared the contract already. Can you please allow the manual hours there?
Oh yeah, I forgot that. Yeah. Is there any way we can request that, Dhanwanti?
No idea. I have to check it.
Okay. Stuart, can you do that?
Annual hours?
Yes. So if you'll go to the contracts, you have to click on allow manual hours.
All right.
Let me check if there is any option on my end. Hold on. Stuart. There used to be some option. I just requested.
Okay.
And you might have received a message on Upwork messages, by the way. You just have to say yes to that.
I'm trying to do that right now. Oh. Not cooperating with me. One second. I'll tell you, I'll get it done here in the next. Well, let me just see.
I'm sharing a link with you. I believe that will be the.
My laptop. Okay. Give me an hour and I'll have it done.
Perfect. No problem at all. That's it, Dhanwanti, right?
Yes.
Perfect. That's it from our side, Stuart. Do you have anything else to add?
That's it. Thank you.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much, Stuart. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.